Hey everyone, and welcome to Baseball Alberta's Mastering Spordle series, where we help associations navigate the platform and ensure everything is set up correctly for the season. Today we're diving into roster management within the team profile, an essential step to ensure your association members are properly registered. Let's get started. Before we can add players, we need to ensure that teams are correctly entered into the system. If you haven't done that yet, check out the previous video on adding teams in Spordle. You'll need that before moving forward. We will add a link in the description. To begin, head to Manage, then Teams. Here you'll see a full list of teams that have already been created. To enter into a team profile, click on the blue team profile ID number. You can also hover over the team and open up a side panel for a quick view. Once inside a team profile, you'll see the team roster. This is where you'll manage players, coaches, affiliates, and release participants. You can filter roster members, view the active roster, and add new players by selecting Add in the top corner. You can also use the Actions menu to send communications or make roster edits. To add players, make sure you select Add under the active roster. From here, you can search the players in multiple ways. Hit search right away to populate all eligible players. Search for a specific player by name. Select multiple players at once. Search by previous season's team. Search by date of birth. Search within your branch for players outside of your association. If a player does not appear, use the Validate Member function to check eligibility. If a player does not appear, they are likely in the wrong age category and they do need to contact Baseball Alberta to be added to a roster. Next, let's talk about affiliated players and team officials. Affiliated players must be added before the season starts to be eligible for play. You can add them the same way you add a roster player. For team officials, this includes all bench staff, head and assistant coaches, and off-field managers. The process for adding them is the same as adding players. Coaches will need a criminal record check. To do this, go into the coach's profile, hover over, and click to open the side panel. Then select Quick View, then go to History. Under Background Checks, hit Add and fill in the following details: when it is valid, status, and type of check. Uploading a document is optional, although associations will need to verify that all CRCs sent in by a coach are valid. Some leagues may have additional coaching requirements. You can view these under the Settings tab within the team profile. Before submitting your roster, confirm that all required player transfer documents are in place. We do have a previous video made on this, and we will have it linked in the description. You'll also have to make sure that all coaches have completed their requirements. Once verified, go to the top of the profile, select Actions, and hit Submit for approval. This will send the roster to Baseball Alberta for review and final approval. That's it. Your team roster is now submitted. Once approved, your team is officially ready for the season. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mastering Spordle. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out other Spordle tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or head over to our Spordle Clubhouse Resource Center. See you in the next video.